Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset Infocast channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find the paint code for your MG3 Hybrid Plus. Let's get started with a closer look. The new MG3 Hybrid Plus is produced in a variety of stylish colors as standard. You can choose from a crisp white, a sleek grey, a sophisticated dark green, or perhaps a vibrant light blue, depending on your personal preference. Each of these colors has its own unique code. It is very important to match the right paint to the code so that there are no color differences later. If you are trying to locate the correct paint code for your vehicle, simply take a moment to look directly behind the passenger side door frame. On the plate with the VIN number, we have the paint code clearly specified. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment.